Hi guys, welcome back to Absolute Brushes. If you're new here, I'm Pranjali. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I'm recreating this look of Noora Fatehi from her latest song Zalima. I think she looked absolutely stunning in the blue dress with a soft pink lip paired with a minimal brownish goldenish eye makeup. So if you're ready, let's begin. To prep my face, I'm first applying this hydrating primer from Makeup Forever on my dry patches, and then I'm topping it with my Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser Primer. For foundation, I'm using the PAC HD Liquid Foundation in the shade 3.9 and I'm blending this with my damp beauty blender. You can always use a brush if you like more coverage. I prefer a beauty blender as I like that sheer finish on my skin. Now that we have a flat clean canvas, we can work on giving it some dimension. So to brighten my high points, I'm using the PAC Cover Concealer in the shade Stark Nude and Beach Sand under my eyes, my forehead, chin and nosy. If you guys follow me, you know I avoid concealers in these areas as they are my problematic areas and not many concealers suit me, but this one is really lightweight and doesn't dry out my excessively dry skin. So if you're someone who has a sensitive skin and a dry skin, I highly recommend you to check out this concealer. And to clean up underneath my cheekbones, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Creamy Beige, and to blend it, I'm using my angled flat top kabuki brush from Cuffs and Lashes. To cream contour and give my face some dimension and structure, I'm using the Wet n Wild Duo Stick in the shade Medium on the circumference of my face, in the hollows of my cheekbones, and to chisel my jawline and nose. Again, I'm going to blend it out with my angled flat top kabuki brush from Cuffs and Lashes. Now to bring back some warmth to my face, I'm using a bronzer, and this one's Hoola Bronzer by Benefit Cosmetics. For blush, I'm using this rosy pink shade Pink Satin from Ofra Cosmetics Signature Blush Palette, and I'm blending this first with my angled brush and then with my round fluffy brush. To highlight, I'm using the shade Moonstone from ABH Cosmetics Glow Kit palette on the highest points of my face. For my brows, I'm using this brown eyeshadow from Makeup Revolution Ultra Eyeshadow Palette. I'll first use the spoolie to brush my hair downwards so I can clearly see on top, and I'll fill it in. And then I'll brush my hair upwards and I'll fill in the lower part of my brows. And then at the end, I'll use the spoolie one more time to spread the color across evenly so it looks more natural. To clean up underneath my brows, I'll be using the PAC Cover Concealer in the shade Beach Sand. And to set my concealer, I'll be using the Maybelline New York Master Fix Setting Loose Powder. To warm up my crease, I'm using this brownish shade from Smoky Obsession Palettes by Huda Beauty with my larger blending brush by Real Techniques. To intensify my crease line, I'm depositing the same brown eyeshadow from Smoky Obsession palette in my crease line with my PAC brush in the style 126, and I'm further blending it with my smaller blending brush by ABH Cosmetics. To darken my outer corner, I'm picking up this deep brown shade from NYX Neutrals palette and I'm packing it with my flat brush from ABH Cosmetics. For the rest of my lid, I'm packing it with this golden shimmery shade Primavera from Modern Vanessa palette by ABH Cosmetics, and I'm topping it up with this gold glittery shade Gold Glitch from Mercury Retrograde palette by Huda Beauty. And to highlight my inner corners and my brow bone, I'm using the shade Vermeer from Modern Renaissance palette by ABH Cosmetics. And to smoke out my lower lash line, I'm using the same brown eyeshadow from Smoky Obsession palette by Huda Beauty. And to fill in my waterline, I'm using this white eyeliner by Flamor. For lipstick, I'm first wearing Read My Lips by Faces Canada, and then I'm lightly topping it with this light pink gloss by Sephora Color Festival Blockbuster palette. And to set and seal everything in place, I'm using the PAC Instant Fixation Primer. To finish up my eye makeup, I'll be throwing on some falsies, but before that I'll be curling my lashes and coating them with some mascara. This one's Total Temptation by Maybelline. And for falsies, I'm applying the MAC lashes in the style 07. And here is the finished look. I've paired it up with a blue blouse and a sky blue jewelry, let my hair loose, and I've curled them in beachy wave style just like Noura Fatehi. I absolutely love such subtle looks that just enhances your natural features and nothing too crazy. So if you liked this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and if you're new here, please take a moment to subscribe. I post several videos a week. I've left all the product information along with a tutorial to these beachy waves as well as my socials in the description box down below. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you with a brand new one. Bye guys.